how to buy data on the Sholadvem-Sub app. So right now, let's go to buy data together for you to see how it's been done. You come right down to where we have mobile data and click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you will be having this interface, and here we have MTN SME, MTN SME2, MTN Smart, MTN Data, and under each of these you can see there is a code that says *323 *4#. That is the code that you will be using to check the balance of your data. So don't forget that *323 *4#. Then the next thing we have Airtel CG, Airtel Smart, Airtel Data. All of these are the same thing, just like the way MTN are the same thing. Why they are being split is because this SME might be available and the other one might not. So anyone that is available, you go for it. It's still the same data. They have the same lifespan. Nothing like one will last more than one. They are all lasting data. Both MTN, both those on Airtel, both the Glows and 9 Mobile. So we also have Glow CG, which is corporate. We have Glow Awoof and we have Glow Data. And the code to check your Glow data is *323. Likewise, the code you use in checking your Airtel is *323#. Then we have 9 Mobile. You can see 9 Mobile there. *323# is still the same code you use when you are checking your data balance on 9 Mobile. Then you have Smile Payment. The code you use to check that is *4504#. I hope we understand. Now we will be picking a particular service. Let me go for this SME2. Once you click, come down to plans and pick your plan. Click on that place that you have plan. It will take you to this place. Then you click on the plan that you want to use. After that, you come down to where you have phone number and input the phone number that you want to send it to, and make sure you are inputting the correct phone number so as for you not to send the data to another person. Yes, make sure you take note of that. Then right now you move down to transaction pin. This transaction pin, for those who might be wondering which one is transaction pin. The transaction pin is that 4-digit pin that you entered when you wanted to register. Yes, when you register on the Sholadvem-Sub app, you use a particular pin. So don't forget that pin. That is the pin you always input for this. Then you click on so the next thing is for you to click on buy now, and it will take you down to this place where you'll be asked, are you sure to purchase MTN SME2 1 gig for 30 days of 735 naira on this particular phone number? You have confirmed the phone number from here. Make sure you confirm the phone number here. Then you click on yes and proceed. It will load up and you see the transaction was successful. Transaction ID. So this ID, you can now screenshot it and send it to the person you've sent the data to. You are going to see that it will pop up that we have gotten data from somewhere. Do you see? Yet, hello, you have received 1 gig data from That is it at the top of my phone. So that is how you buy data. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also share to your friends and family for them to also buy affordable and long-lasting data from the Sholadvem-Sub website. I will see you in the next video.